Hello everyone, it's Lily and welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix the sound on Instagram video. A bunch of people have been messaging me saying that they can't hear the sound on their Instagram video, so I'm going to assist you in solving that issue today. It's quick and easy, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you'll want to do is make absolutely sure the app is fully up to date. So just go to the Google Play Store and then press on the search bar at the top. Then search for Instagram. And this will either show Open or Update to the right of Instagram. If it shows Update, it means the app needs to be updated. If it shows Open, it means you're completely up to date. The next thing you should do is turn on your ringer. So go to Settings, scroll down a little, and then go to Sounds and Vibrations, and then slide the volume of media to the maximum. You can also do this by just pressing the volume up button on the side of your phone. The next solution is to disable power saving mode. Exit out of Sounds and Vibration, scroll down a little, and then touch the battery to make sure that power saving mode is disabled. If any of that stuff did not work, you could also check to see whether your device is connected to Bluetooth. So we're in Settings, and now we're going to scroll up to the top and tap on Bluetooth, and then just make absolutely sure no Bluetooth device is connected. If something was connected, then this would show paired. But you want to just be certain nothing at all is paired because the sound may be playing through your earbuds or from a speaker. If you've tried everything and it's still not working perfectly, you could uninstall and reinstall the application. I believe my troubleshooting ideas were helpful to you. If they were, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, please post them in the comment section below.